The world's loudest horn on the roof of this Bugatti. But Steve has the remote. He's driving my car.
Farting in the Bugatti.
Oops. Dude, it's pretty loud.
Bro.
Yeah, we look like assholes in this, huh?
Yeah.
So ignorant.
The Bugatti just makes it so much worse, man.
Can I get over?
Oh my gosh. Dude, I almost just crashed.
I'm not used to having mirrors, dude. Some of these honks, it's not me pressing the button. Most likely the honks that are fucked up. Those are the ones that I'm not doing. Oh shit, fucking cop, bro. No chance there's a cop. I'm waiting, dude. Nah, that's not us.
It don't matter, that's dope.
I thought it was you.
I want to get some for this one. I love it. Yeah.
All right, he's got the Bugatti now. We got the horns. I just hold it non-stop. And he's like, dude, it's almost like so ignorant, it's funny. Sorry, I had to do it. So mad. He's an asshole, I'm sorry. He's an asshole.